So today we're recreating this look. I'm going to the Grove for dinner and a movie, so I need something that's really good in extremely hot weather, but also can be worn in a freezing cold movie theater. Let's go. For those who don't know me, I am an author and I live in Los Angeles, and all my friends are models, actors, influencers. They are all so good at dressing themselves and looking cute. And you know, I spent all day on my computer typing away at my books, so I have no idea what I'm doing. So my goal this year is to glow up. So I'm taking all the tips I learned from the hot LA girlies and using them to recreate outfits and see what I learn. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely follow along. For the first part of my look, I have these Sandro jeans, and I actually saw Gigi Hadid wearing them, and so I thought they were really cute and bought them. They're my most kind of like loose-fitting, light-colored jeans. But on her, they go to her ankle. On me, they're full length because I am very, very short. But here they are. They have a nice, cool, like, they're Sandro. They have a little zipper here, and up to my belly button, which is like in the original look. Really nice, just like lightly, you know, a little bit oversized, which is cute. And more oversized is more informal, and tight jeans are out right now. So having loose fitting mom jeans or kind of more trousers is kind of in style at this moment. What is not in style is ripped jeans and tight jeans. I'm gonna do a red version of her look, and so for the shirt, I have this shirt by Reformation that I'm gonna wear. The next part of the look is a white button down over the shirt. So I have this one. I think I got it on like AliExpress. It's just like a cheap white shirt, like that. Then she has kind of like a chain necklace. So this one has this like clip that on the end, but I don't think this matches the colors of the outfit that I'm doing. So I'm going to actually switch to another chain necklace that doesn't have a thing in the middle, but is still kind of like a chain and pretty cute. And this chain I got from my friend who was visiting. I used to live in Shanghai, so she lives in China, and she gave this to me when I saw her a month ago in Seattle, and she was visiting another one of our friends from when we all used to work together for a beauty company in China. Okay, so there's that chain and kind of the shirt and the look. Okay, so the last part of the look is the belt bag, and this is actually a vintage Gucci one that I got from Switch, which I'll add a link below if you're interested. You can rent designer clothes, and this is part of their core policy. It's $55 a month. In retail, this is $1,150, and that's a lot for like a fun item like this that doesn't really match a lot of the things you're probably wearing. So I like to rent these kind of like more fun pieces. I've been using Switch for like 3 years. What I didn't realize is this is actually a child's bag, so it's really small, but luckily I am also really small. She has her belt bag go right over the white shirt. Strapping this on is harder than I thought it would be. Goes right over the white shirt like this. So let's see, she has it like this across the front. Like that. So for shoes, she's just wearing simple white sneakers. I have these two. They're just like cheapies from Amazon. I actually got them, or my editor got them for my book cover. So if you look at my book cover, I'm wearing these shoes. I've been kind of scared to wear them because they're so white, but why not? Let's do it. While I'm putting my shoes on, if you haven't been to the Grove or know what that is, I live in LA, and the Grove is this really cute outdoor market. It's kind of like Fifth Avenue, New York, where it has all of the flagship stores of like Aloe, Banana Republic, blah, blah, blah. My boyfriend and I love walking there to do date night, which is why we're going to dinner and a movie there. For food, there's Erewhon, and there's also a farmer's market, which is really cute and has all different types of food. There's a great New Orleans place. I love Marcel's, which has like French food. It's really, really cute to just walk around. So that's kind of what the plan is tonight. So if you're wondering, hey, like, why are you recreating looks? Like, one, I'm a millennial. We wear this, like this, a little fanny pack. that is not cool anymore. It's not cool. So I'm going out of my comfort zone and trying new looks to see like what are kind of different things that I like matching, what looks good on me. And so let me know. So, you know, this is like one of my options for things that I can wear, and this is the first time I've ever worn a belt bag like this. So it's kind of fun seeing how these new looks are, and I feel like finding inspiration from outfits that I thought were cute really is teaching me how to dress better, which is my goal of this year, to glow up.